Welcome back to my channel. I gotten microwave number 1, microwave number 2, along with more aluminum can, 12 ounce, tall skinny 12 ounce, 16 ounce can, 16 ounce can, this kind of cool looking one here, with the eagle on it. I probably end up saving this one. I don't have one like that, but that's pretty darn cool looking. And another one right here, got to get it. I never had one of these before either. Bush Light apple can. That's pretty cool. There's some more up in there I'm gonna get to. One in there. I think there's only 3 of them, but if there's 4, I'm gonna keep all 4 of them. But yeah, a bucket. I started putting them in here. So yeah, then another friend of mine, I just picked up all this from today. And if you can see that bucket right there at the tip of my finger, that's all Rose found from today. I think my guess, I probably got about half this bucket full. This is a 7 gallon, maybe an 8 gallon trash, 5 gallon bucket. 7 or 8 gallon, maybe 6 gallon bucket. Or it has to be an 8 gallon bucket, so that's taller than a 5 gallon bucket. So you figure 5 gallon bucket about right here on the bottom of this thing here. Down. So yeah, that's probably like an 8 gallon bucket, maybe. I don't know, I never measure it from outside to the bottom to the top, or from the inside to the top. Well yeah, I just thought I'd let you know. That came from a friend. These 2 come from another different person's friend. Most of these came from the friend as well. And I went through the dumpster, or the trash can by the gas station, picked these up. And this sprayer also came from the same person I got these cans. He had a 5 gallon bucket sitting there, and I dumped them in the truck. That's why you see water running out from the rain before. And that's the same person that gave me that whole trash bag full. So yeah, my next plan is pulling tabs off all these cans that I don't want, and the one that I do want, like these, I'm saving with the tabs on it. So I'll let you know later on, when I do another video, of how many cans I have together. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.